In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho Books for a new company. Whether you're starting a new business or transitioning your finances to a digital platform, Zoho Books offers a comprehensive yet easy to navigate solution for managing your company's books. Let's dive in and walk through the setup process step by step, so by the end, you'll be ready to get your finances in order. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Zoho website. Once you're there, look for the All Products option, which is usually located in the main menu or perhaps in a drop-down list. Clicking on this will take you to a broad selection of Zoho's offerings. Scroll through the list and you'll notice an option that says Explore All Products. This is where you'll discover the array of applications Zoho has to offer, including their accounting solution, Zoho Books. You'll see Zoho Books listed among these products, and there's a Try Now button situated right underneath it. Clicking this button is your next move. It will initiate the process for setting up Zoho Books and direct you to a sign-up page. At this point, Zoho will send you a verification email to ensure the proper creation and authenticity of your account. Be sure to check your inbox for this verification email. If you don't see it straight away, do check your spam or junk folders, as occasionally emails can end up there. Once you've located the email, simply follow the instructions to verify your address. With your email verified, you're ready to proceed with filling in the necessary details for both you and your company. This will typically include your name, company name, contact information, and possibly some foundational financial details. It's important to enter this information accurately to ensure your accounting software can serve you well from the get-go. Next, continue to finalize the account creation process. Zoho Books will likely prompt you to establish a password and perhaps agree to its terms of service before your account is activated. Don't forget to make note of your password somewhere safe. You'll need it to access the platform in the future. With that, you've successfully set up Zoho Books for your new company. You are now ready to begin managing your financial operations with greater ease and efficiency. Future steps may include configuring your accounts, setting up invoices, and connecting your bank feeds, but for today, you've covered the essential foundation. I hope this walkthrough has made the setup process straightforward for you. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and remember that as you continue to use Zoho Books, there are always more resources and support available to help maximize its potential for your business. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.